you doing, Sanjay?
Cleaning.
Cleaning where? Down there? What are you doing, Tushar?
I'm eating the medicine.
Oh, okay. Well, what were you doing? What was your work?
Putting the grocery stores put somewhere where it belongs.
Put the groceries away?
Can I throw this disgusting potato? What do I have to do with this?
Yeah, let's throw that away. What are you doing, Geeta?
I'm cleaning the pantry.
Okay. Huh?
What do I have to do with this?
You can dust that off a little bit. It's looking really dusty.
With the broom.
No, with a rag would be better.
Yeah.